So yeah, it looks like someone's tried to break into the ute last night. These doors are all bent out of shape. Pretty happy they didn't get in. This lock was busted open, but this one remained locked. Door's been bent out of shape. Obviously had crowbar or something up in there. And yeah, they would have got quite the haul had they gotten in here, because it's got my nail bag, most of my Bosch tools, rotary hammers, drills, drivers, saws, plunge saws, Milwaukee nail guns. They would have cleaned up had they had gotten through this one lock. You can even see this lock's been bent out of shape, so someone's put quite a lot of pressure on it, but it held on. Thank fuck. Have a go. This is called his mate over to help. How many junky lads does it take to rip open a toolbox? Shit, maybe 4. 3's just not gonna cut it. Nice thing to wake up to on a Sunday morning. And this side, the door was actually open. I'd left it unlocked. It had straps over the ute, so they've taken off the 2 tie-down straps. When I woke up this morning, the door was like this, and it looked like someone tried to grab the miter saw, but being that it's, you know, probably close to 30 kilos with that 12 amp battery on there, they gave up. So they left the table saw and the miter saw untouched. Probably because they're too heavy and they were on fucking bikes or God knows what. So I guess that's one benefit of having a heavy miter saw. Yeah, not the best way to start a Sunday. It just does my head in. People feeling entitled to take the shit that you worked really hard for. And not only that, they're the tools that you use to put food on the table. I mean, come on. These little fucking pricks. Anyway, speaking of tools, that's what I'm here for today. Not the ones that were almost pinched from my ute, or the ones that almost pinched them from my ute, but the ones that I bought. I'm gonna have someone else helping me with this unboxing first look. Honestly, I don't know how he's gonna go, but yeah, let's find out. Come here. No, leave the bucket. Leave the bucket. Okay.
Leo.
Okay, so, sorry, what is your name?
Leo.
Leo. Okay, hi Leo, I'm Dad.
Hey, Dad.
I'm Dad, yeah. Okay, so how old are you? 3. Oh, show the camera. 3?
3.
3 years old.
And after my birthday, turn 4.
You're gonna turn 4 for your next birthday. That's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
You know what else is exciting?
And it should me grow to 4. It's like this.
Yeah, like you're gonna be a big boy when you turn 4.
Yes, it's like Big Leo.
Yeah, big Leo, that's right. Okay, so stand up straight. Now, pretty exciting stuff here today. We have some new tools to look at. Yeah? Should we get them out?
Yeah.
Currently I've been running the Makita laminate trimmer, but this thing is corded. And Bosch have been making me wait for the longest time for an 18 volt router. And I just couldn't wait anymore. So I went and picked up this one instead. This is the Milwaukee M18 laminate router. Leo, should we open the box?
Yes.
Yes? All right, now you're gonna give me your first thoughts of this. You're gonna tell me what you like about it.
It's inside.
Okay, so here we got, no, just wait, let me get, okay, so what's this? We've got
A wrench.
a wrench. I think that's for changing the bits. Thanks for that. Okay, what else have we got in here? Oh, what's this?
It's a hammer.
It's a hammer. It's not a hammer. This is a fence. If you want to do a straight cut, you can put this on your router and then you can run this along a work surface and get a nice straight line. Check that out for me. What do you think of that? Is it good?
It's good.
Okay.
This is like an airplane.
It's like an airplane. Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah, throw this out for me.
Yeah.
Ooh. Look at this. So we've got the paperwork, some spare bits and pieces, a couple of wrenches, and we've got this router base, which is just a larger version of the one that comes fitted.
Over here.
So this is the dust extraction. This one is currently something that my Makita doesn't have, dust extraction. And when you're doing some work inside, it's nice to have. So first look at it, this thing feels really nice in the hand. No, it goes here, it goes here.
Go here.
Like, it goes like that. We'll do it later. Put it over there.
Router to get all the dust out of the circle.
That's right, all the dust comes out of the circle. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Your favorite color's red. So that's a big tick. You've got your speed control here. You've got this clip here that locks on the this aluminium housing, and then you've got some micro adjustments here for adjusting the height of the router. Isn't that cool? You just twist it like that.
Yeah.
Twist it in, twist it out, and yeah.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
The dust go over to there. Over to this circle.
Yeah.
And it's get no dust in our eyes.
Yeah, well, that's right. So the idea is that you hook a vacuum up to this, and then the vacuum will stop the dust from going in our eyes and breathing it in. So this is...
Please open this box.
Just a second. So this is an M18 battery right here.
That is right.
Okay, let's pop this in. Ooh, should we turn it on?
3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh.
Do it.
Wow. And then we can go quicker. This is the speed adjustment. It's also got a brake too, which is nice. The Makita doesn't have that. The Makita probably is like 10 years older than this thing, so, you know. So the other thing that's really cool I've just noticed with this is the light.
That's good.
So that's really cool. The Makita doesn't have it. Often when you're trimming in hinges and things, it can be quite hard to see. So yeah, I really like the look of that.
It's cool.
This one here, you got to plug it in. It's got a cord, but this one's got no cord. That's pretty cool, huh?
This one's got no cord.
No, this is cordless, but this one has a cord.
This one's cordless and this one's it's cord.
That's right, that's corded.
That's corded.
That's
corded.
No, that's cordless.
Cordless.
No cord. Mm-mm.
No cord.
Okay, let's open this one. So while I was there, I had to pick up the Plunge base as well.
Look.
Whoa.
Look at this one got. Look at this one.
Oh my, what's that?
This is called a Sony. This one's got a circle too.
It's called a what? A Swenny?
Yes, it's got a circle.
Oh, wow. So...
And so does come out.
So yeah, this is the Plunge base. This is what the laminate router just fits into. And
Let's do it.
it feels really nice. Feels really premium and nice to hold. So in order to get this on, you have to take this off. I'm not even too sure how, to be honest. See? All right, so there we have, I don't even know how this goes on. This is the laminate router installed into the Plunge base. So let's take this for a spin. I'll put a bit in it. I've got a little bit of hardwood that I want to test it on. And yeah, we'll see how it feels. We'll get some first impressions.
Just gotta finish this.